Hi friends, welcome to Queen's Collection. A warm hello from Team Queens. Today I brought you some exclusive varieties of dress materials ranging from around about 650 to 2700. Pieces are really very nice and very good, so do not miss the collection. Watch the video till the end so you do not miss any of the collections, and if you like the collections you can directly buy from our WhatsApp number. You can send them a message on our WhatsApp number, or you can send the screenshot. Our team will get back to you. And the pieces what I am showing you right now will be available for next 2 to 3 days only, so book your piece as fast as possible. And if you need any sort of stitching facility, we have got stitching facility also, and we can courier it to your place, as we have got worldwide shipping facilities available with us. So friends, if you like the collections also, please like our video, share our video and subscribe our channel also. Not getting too late, I'll start the collections right now. The first variety what I'm showing you comes in cotton material. It's a beautiful jute cotton variety with block print over it. The color combination is very different. You have got this around about grayish color top with a yellow color bottom, and you have got this beautiful tailoring pattern done near the neck, and got a very nice dupatta in contrast which matches with the bottom. And range for this one is only 650 range. The next piece is in light baby pink color. It's a very beautiful piece, and it comes in very soft cotton, and you got a very beautiful work done on the neck. I'll just show you the neck pattern. Very beautiful work done on the neck. You got this small print over it, and bottom you have contrast geometrical prints. The material is quite soft. It will be very comfortable while wearing, and you got this dupatta in self color. So top, bottom, chunni, all the three things are in same color, and this beautiful dupatta along with this with 4-side border in the dupatta, and the range for this one is 680 only. The next piece again is very different piece. This comes in nice mustard yellow color with a greenish kind of bottom along with this military greenish type of bottom. This is the top, nice tailoring pattern done on the top. You got this beautiful print all over it, and fine jute cotton material, and you got a beautiful dupatta along with this. You can sell such a lovely dupatta. Color combination is very nice. Dupatta comes in matching with the bottom material, and you got nice embroidery over it which comes in matching with the top material, and the price for this one is 710 range only. The next piece is similar to piece what I've shown you right now. This comes in navy blue color combination. The bottom for this one is in yellow color, so navy blue and yellow combination look very bright. See, and beautiful tailoring pattern done, and got this nice foil print over it. The base is in jute cotton material, and got a beautiful dupatta again along with this one also. Nice mustard color dupatta with all small flower prints over it. Dupattas are all exclusively done, very beautiful pieces. All of them are exclusive pieces. You won't find the pieces here and there. And the range is also quite reasonable. This is one more variety. You'll have small prints over it. And this one too has got a yellow bottom along with this. Nice grey color top with yellow color block print over it, and a bright yellow color bottom. And you got this nice dupatta also which comes in yellow color again. So this is the dupatta, very beautiful piece, very different. You can have a look at the complete piece. It looks very elegant, and the price for this one is also 710 range only. This is one more very different variety. You got nice grey color. Bottom comes in pink color, so combination is very bright and very nice. You got this pink color patch over the neck with small mirror works and beautiful embroidery done at the neck patch also, and nice tailoring pattern to support the embroidery. Got beautiful mirror work along the embroidery pattern. You got this all Egyptian print over the top, and you got beautiful dupatta, block printed dupatta in chiffon material. You can see the contrast. It looks really very nice, very different, new color combination, and the price is quite reasonable. It's only in 710 range. You can have a complete look at the variety. It looks very different and very nice. See, the next piece is again very different. Beautiful green. This will have a creamish bottom along with this. This is the top, and you got very beautiful print, block print all over the top. Nice tailoring pattern done at the neck, and cream color bottom, and dupatta will come in contrast cream color with embroidery over the dupatta in green color. So it complements each other. The bottom and chunni complement each other. So you can see a very beautiful dupatta. The price for this one is 740 range. And next piece what I'm showing you, again a very beautiful piece. It also comes in jute material. This dark light brownish kind of shade, this one is exactly brownish green color top with yellow color bottom in contrast. and dupatta comes in yellow color again, and this is the dupatta along this. The beautiful piece, terrific combination. It looks very nice when you get it stitched, and the range for this one is also 740. So all the pieces what I'm showing here are very different, very nice pieces. There's one more different variety what I'm showing. It comes in batik material. This is the top, complete batik. These things never get out of fashion, they're always in fashion. This is the top, front and back is full batik, and bottom you'll have the different print from batik only, and you got a nice dupatta along with this. Full cotton dupatta. If you want something cotton to cotton, then definitely go in for this. This is a beautiful piece, this one is. So range for this one is 830 range only, and have a look at the colors. I've got an orange color in this, I've got a green color in this, I've got a yellow color in this. So you can have a look at all the four colors. Four colors are really amazing. This variety what I'm showing you is right now is pure party wear concept. It comes in all bright color chart. This is a nice royal blue what I'm showing you. You got an excellent handwork over it with French knots and beadwork. Very beautiful piece. Bottom comes in contrast. This is the bottom, and this is a nice dupatta along with this. This is the dupatta along with this. Dupatta is all in jute cotton material with all our embroidery work. It looks totally different when you wear it. You can have a look at the pattern. It's very different, very nice. I'll show you colors. All of them are bright colors. This is the bright green color in this, bright fire orange. This also looks very, all of party wear combinations. And this is the gray color. And got this red color also. Range is quite reasonable, 830 only. Fabrics of very high quality. If you want, we can get it stitched and send to your place. We have got stitching facility as well as worldwide courier facility available with us. This piece what I'm showing you right now is a totally excellent variety. It comes in green color with foil print over it, and you got a very beautiful crochet lace at the end of the dress. You can use this lace elsewhere also if you like. And you got a nice bottom along with this. In this you can get stitched a straight bottom if you like. You can get a plaza stitched, and you got a very beautiful brush minted dupatta along with this. And the price for this one is 870 range only. You can have a look at the beauty of the dupatta. Very different. You might not be having such kind of collections in dupatta, so don't miss this collection. It's a very beautiful piece. Again, we have got stitching facilities available with us. This is nice maroon color. This is a very beautiful mustard color. The combinations are all really beautiful. They look very awesome when you get them stitched. They look very nice and very awesome. You can have a look at the combinations. And this is the chocolate color. So all the four colors are really amazing, really different. You can have a look at all the four colors. They're really different. These are the four colors. Next piece what I'm showing you again is very different. It comes in satin cotton material. Very fine quality cotton product. You can have a look at the top. Very beautiful print and all English colors available in this. Bottom comes in self, and we got this very nice dupatta along with this. This is the dupatta. Dupatta, you have got top border on the four sides of the dupatta, and one more border of gotapatti lace done with red color contrast, so it looks very elegant and very different. The range for this one is 910 range only, and you can have a look at the colors. The really very different colors. This is a beautiful peach color, this nice yellow color, and this very beautiful pink color again. So complete set is really different. You can have a look at the set. It looks very different. The next piece what I'm showing you is it comes in silk base, and comes in chanderi silk. You've got a very beautiful handwork done, and then just below the neck. Neck you can design as per your choice. You can design neck as per your choice, and very beautiful handwork buttas given at the neck. And bottom comes in contrast with the color which is highlighted in the embroidery. In this you have got the green color highlighted, so you have got the green bottom, and you got an excellent dupatta along with this. Pure Banarsi dupatta, shaded Banarsi dupatta with the domination of green color. See, it looks this way when you complete look. I'll show you the color combinations also. This is grey with yellow combination. This is grey with pink combination, and this is grey with again pink combination. This is tomato pink sort of a combination. So all the colors are really different and really beautiful. And the price for this one is 1090 only. This is one of the most unique piece available in the store. Very different. Designing part is totally very different. The base comes in raw silk variety, and you'll got a nice beautiful applique work over it. You can see very nice beautiful applique work done with support of mirror work throughout the dress. And you've got this pink color bottom in contrast, and you've got a very beautiful designer sort of chunni along with this. Similar kind of work which is done on the neck. The chunni is covered with the same kind of work. So very beautiful piece. The range of this one is 1180 only. I'll just show you the colors. All the colors are really rich in party wear colors. So you got this blue color with this red bottom, and you got this yellow color with this blue bottom. So color wise the variety is very different. You can have a look at all the three colors. They're really excellent, really good. The quality is very high. And this next piece it comes in pure white color, totally a different piece. Don't miss the collection. If you want something in white and party wear sort of stuff, then this piece is for you. Very beautiful piece. You've got this all over embroidery. By base comes in chanderi silk. So beautiful, elegant, rich embroidery done throughout the top. And the cloth is also a very heavy quality chanderi silk. Bottom also you have in white color. Bottom is also in white color silk material, and the lining is also available on it. So top and so inside lining and bottom are given the same material, and you've got a very beautiful dupatta along with this. The price for this one is 1250 only, and you not buy a separate lining for this one. So top, bottom and chunni, everything available at very reasonable price of very high quality. Range is only 1250 range. So excellent product. Next variety again comes in very different style. This is silk variety, heavy quality chanderi silk, very beautiful mirror work and handwork done on the neck. You can have a look at the work done on the neck. It's a beautiful work done, very decent kind of stuff done on the neck, and got this really different contrast. This is a parrot green top, and you got this dark green bottom along with this, and you got a very beautiful dupatta. Dupatta is done in tissue material, lightweight tissue with Banarsi butta over it. So excellent variety, and the price is quite reasonable. It's only 1340 range. You can have a look at the piece. It looks very different and very nice. Excellent combination, excellent variety. The next piece is again very different. The base is in raw silk, and you got a beautiful handwork done. Simple, super beautiful handwork done on the neck. The colors are really bright. If you're looking something out for party wears, then don't miss this collections. If you want, we can get this stitch and send it to your place also. Very beautiful. The work down the neck is very beautiful. You've got this bottom in contrast. Again, you'll have a very beautiful dupatta in tissue material with Banarsi buttas. It's a totally lightweight dupatta, and I'll show you the colors also in this. Colors are really beautiful, all party wear stuff. This is blue with pink combination. This is green with blue combination. Real party wear colors, all of them are, and this is red with yellow combination. The varieties are really different, really elegant. Do not miss the collections. Really great stuff. You can have a look at all the four colors. They look this way. The amazing combination, amazing varieties. Next variety what I'm showing is even more different. If you, till now you have seen dark colors, if you want something in light colors, you can go for this variety. Completely a different concept altogether. This is top in silk material with self checks, and you got a very beautiful work done on the neck with all Zardoshi work, very neatly done. This is the bottom in contrast, and you'll have a very different, elegant, gorgeous dupatta along with this in tissue fabric. Totally handwork done. So totally unique variety, different combination. You can have a look at this one piece. It looks really amazing, really different. The price for this one is 2110 only. One of the most fast moving varieties of the store. The next variety is again very different, similar kind of concept. It comes in dark color. This is the top with small self sequence work done throughout the top. Bottom comes in same self color, and you can have a look at the dupatta also. Fulkari work dupatta done. Very beautiful dupatta. If you're looking something for grand rich dupattas, then do not miss this collections. The collection is really amazing, really different. You can have a look at the piece. It looks very gorgeous, rich, elegant, and variety is quite different. You won't find this variety here and there. Totally party wear stuff. You got two colors in this. You have seen this dark, very dark brownish color. It's not in black color. It's very dark brownish color. This is a light beige color in this. So two colors available in this. Both the colors are really different. I'll just show you both the colors. 2760 range. So bottom, beautiful Fulkari work, heavy dupatta, classic pieces. Varieties are very different and very nice. And if you're looking something for black, then you can go for this piece. Very different variety. Base is in chanderi silk. Nice work done on the neck, and similar kind of work done on the daman also. Very beautiful work done on daman also. Embroidery with sequence work. And dupatta is again very great in this. This is the same black color bottom, and you can have a look at the dupattas. So really great dupatta, very different concept, and the price for this one is 2760. This is one more color, different color again. This is a navy blue, bluish color, not navy blue, very different color, new kind of color. You might not have this color in your wardrobe. So totally excellent variety, excellent combination. You can have a look at the piece, the bottom itself, and a rich dupatta. Exciting varieties, very beautiful varieties, and price is 2760 only. Till now I had shown you a couple of varieties with beautiful dupattas, dark colors. Now what I'm showing is the similar concept will come in light colors. So it's light pastel shades in English colors. It looks very decent, very rich. You can look at the handwork down at the neck, very beautiful handwork with bead work. You've got the French knots and Zardoshi work, and color combination also green with pink. It's quite unique, quite different. The piece looks quite rich. You can have, this is the self color bottom in this, which comes in heavy quality cotton material, and this is the dupatta along with this. So this is also with full work dupatta. Base of the dupatta will come in tissue material, and you can have a look at the work on the dupatta. Totally elegant concept, very different. The pink what is used in the beads over here, the same pink is given the chunni work, so it looks very elegant. You can have a look at the piece. Pure party wear stuff. You won't find this variety here and there. It's a totally unique concept, and the price is 2760 only. And you can have a look at the other color also. So both the colors are really good, really different. If you do not have this kind of collections, you can definitely go in for these collections. And if you want, we can get them stitched and sent to your place. You can have a look at the dupatta also. The pieces are very rich and very different. And one more concept, I'm showing a similar concept in this light color combinations. This is very different piece again. You got this very beautiful work down on the neck. You can have a work, closer look at the work. Nice mirror work you have. Got this Zardoshi work, beautiful work, very neat and decent work done, and similar kind of work that is done on the daman also. It's in self color, self embroidery done, and small diamond work throughout the top. And got this bottom, and you can have a look at the dupatta. So excellent varieties. If you have some of your friends or you are looking for such kind of dupattas, please share the video along with to your friends so that they can have a look at this terrific varieties. Really different, amazing collections for dupattas. Got this 3 colors in this. You saw this yellow color. This is a pink color which comes with the same kind of dupatta, and this is one more green color. So 3 colors available in this gorgeous set, and the price for this one is also 2760 only. Hope you like the collections. If you like the collections, kindly like our video, share our video, and subscribe our channel. See you soon with new collections. And you would like to have something new from our side, just leave your comment in the comment box so we can show you the variety what you like. Thank you very much.